Crunches and sit-ups are frequently mentioned as ways to improve core strength. Beginner ab exercises should be straightforward, doable, and not too difficult, and these exercises suit the description well. There are various exercises that are suitable for beginners and will target a variety of core muscles, as well as making your workouts more entertaining. The majority of these exercises also keep your spine in a neutral posture, which can help you prevent back discomfort while improving core strength. If you're just getting started with fitness, core strength is critical for your exercises and life in general. A strong core is necessary for stability, balance, and proper posture, as well as reducing the chance of injury and back discomfort. It will also make other actions simpler, such as playing sports with your children or pets, or lifting big goods. You don't even need any special equipment to get started. A plank is an excellent exercise for strengthening your core while also exercising other muscle groups such as your shoulders and lower body. It will also help you prepare for workouts that involve comparable muscles and motions, such as commandos, push-ups, mountain climbers, and shoulder taps. 1. Begin with your forearms, wrist to elbow, firmly on your mat, elbows precisely below your shoulders. 2. Extend both legs behind you and lift your hips off the mat, resting on your toes. Brace your abdominals and keep your spine in a neutral position. Hold this posture for the duration provided, breathing deeply throughout. The most frequent plank error is allowing your hips to fall towards the ground or raising your hips up in the air. You don't want your body to be in a straight, neutral stance like a slab of wood. Pull your belly button towards your spine and clench your glutes and quadriceps to maintain your body upright. This will maintain your lower body strong and your hips level. Using a mirror or having someone else evaluate your form can also be beneficial. If you find it difficult to maintain a plank on your toes, you may either do them for brief amounts of time, imagine numerous 10-second spurts, or drop your knees to the ground, ensuring you maintain that neutral posture to work your core. As your strength grows, consider standing on your toes and increasing your duration. Try side planks or high planks using your hands instead of your forearms. Reverse crunch. Try a reverse crunch instead of a conventional crunch or sit-up if you want to try something new. These train your lower abs and help relieve pressure on your hip flexors and/or neck, which are more commonly employed while executing a sit-up. 1. Begin by reclining back on your mat. 2. Raise your feet off the floor and bend your knees until your knees are precisely above your hips and your lower legs are parallel to the floor, with your knees bent at 90 degrees. 3. While maintaining your back, shoulders, and head on the floor, engage your core and pull your knees to your chest, lifting your hips off the ground and keeping your knees bent at 90 degrees. 4. Return your hips to the beginning position slowly. When performing a reverse crunch, it is customary to employ momentum and a rocking action to thrust your hips up with speed. This can also cause your back to rise off the ground or your knees to move out of alignment. To get the most out of the reverse crunch, perform it gently and with control, allowing your body to come to a complete halt at the beginning position before performing another representative. Glute bridge. Despite the fact that it is termed a glute bridge and will undoubtedly work your lower body, this is a terrific workout since it works so many muscles at once, including your core, glutes, hamstrings, quadriceps, and lower back. Incorporating exercises that engage different muscle groups into your training helps prepare your body for more difficult motions. 1. Begin by laying on your back on your mat, knees bent, arms at your sides, and feet flat on the floor. 2. Squeeze your glutes and lift your hips off the floor, forming a straight line with your knees, hips, and shoulders. 3. Return to your starting posture by lowering your hips to the floor. Repeat. Once you've mastered the body weight glute bridge, add a weight to the top of your hips for an added challenge. If you're at a gym or have a barbell at home, you may move to a bench or chair hip thrust, and then to a barbell hip thrust.